Hey T, can you say thanks, Aunt Kim? Thanks, Uncle Dave. Say thank you. You like your cars?
You hold that? Daddy needs a screwdriver.
Why don't you play with the one that you got out while Daddy gets the other one out? Is it a vroom vroom T? Let me see. Let me see.
I've got one right here.
Wow. Cool. Why don't you put it on the floor and play with it? Push it. Go push it. Push it on the floor. Vroom, 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 vroom.